Welcome to the MillRight Minute. Did you know that you could use your MillRight CNC machine to brush and polish aluminum? If you use one of these nylon but silicon carbide infused brushes, you can run it across the surface of aluminum just like you would a surfacing bit, and you're going to end up with a nice polished or brushed look to it, depending on your depth of cut, feed, and a couple other factors like if you're using coolant or a polishing compound. Here I have a piece of aluminum. You can see kind of the nasty raw look to it here, and here you see where we've run the brush across it. It ends up with a nicer, more consistent look than you would if you were just sanding the piece. So when would you use something like this over just using a surfacing bit? Now if you just had a piece that would fit in the vise, I recommend just using the surfacing bit as long as it's not going to overhang like this and get chatter on the end. If you've got a bigger piece though, say maybe you're only edge clamping it and there in the center, you might get a little chatter running that surfacing bit. But if you use one of these, you're not going to experience that. Run it at about 100 thou depths of cut from 20 to 60 inches a minute. I recommend you turn coolant on. You're going to end up with a nice finish, something closer to this. Check out the video.